My name is Brook, your host here at My Clone Solution. And today I am with Julie Chopa of Clarity Finances, and we are going to be answering that question. How can I avoid paying taxes? Julie, I'm sure you have a great answer for this.
Well, as far as the tax situation goes, if you're making a profit, you're going to have to pay some taxes. And so it's actually a good thing because we all want to have profitable businesses because profit equals healthy. But of course, you never want to pay more than you actually owe. So it's important to have accurate bookkeeping information so that when you want to go to a tax preparer, C.P.A, who's very knowledgeable about getting you all of the deductions that you are allowed to take per the Internal Revenue Service Code, and have that person, do the return for you. Don't try and do it yourself because you might miss something, and then it's just not worth it.
Absolutely. And I am a firm believer that you should always have your books up to date all the time so that come like the 1st of December, you kind of know what's going on. And then you can look at your P&L for the year. You can look at how much money you could be paying in taxes, and you can decide based on your cash that you have on hand, am I going to fund more of an IRA for my business? Am I going to put some money into a retirement? Do I need to make a purchase this year versus next year? So yes, you definitely want to make a profit in your business, but you want to be smart about it and make sure that you have what you need to make your business run and be successful, as well as have all of those cool retirement things with your financial advisor so that you can set yourself up not only for this year, but for the future. So be smart about your taxes, be on time with everything so that you can make great decisions in December going into tax season. Julie?
I would back that up actually to October.
Okay, so we're going to back that up to October. Now,
like the fourth quarter is when the CPAs want to plan and help you with tax planning and look at, but absolutely it has to be done in the same year. If you wait until after January, you wait till January 1st, there's so many things and tweaks that you cannot do anymore. That's like the deadline. But the fourth quarter is the perfect tax planning quarter for all of those things that you just talked about. Should I buy fixed assets? What should I do for a retirement account? There's so many things that you can look at and adjust. It's just so much better to do it that way. And so that's a huge way to save.
Absolutely. So make sure that you get with your CPA, your EA, your tax advisor, and make sure that you have a plan with them on how you're going to maximize your profit, maximize your assets, and minimize your tax due, payment due, and make your business successful each and every year. Thank you so much for watching. This has been another episode of Google My Business Problems. Thank you, Julie. And if you want to get a hold of Julie, you have her information on the next slide. Have a great day.